All right, let's start from the top, okay? Quotient rule to simplify um, square roots, okay? So the rule is if you have square root of uh, a over b, which is a fraction, well, it is the same thing as square root of a over square root of b. So that's the rule. So that being the rule, it says that if you have square root of 9 over 16, so you can rewrite that as square root of 9 over square root of 16, which square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4. Another example we could use is square root of 100 over 25. Well, square root of, let's see what is this? Square root of 100, square root of 100 on the top, square root of 25 in the bottom. So you can rewrite that as two separate square root, square root of 100 over square root of 25, which square root of 100 would end up giving you 10, and square root of 25 would end up giving you 5, and 10 divided by 5 then would end up giving you 2. So 2 would be the answer for that problem. Okay? We could use one more example with numbers with expressions, so you'll see how we can actually have numbers with expressions together. So if you had a square root of 50, a to the 5th power, okay, b to the 7th power, over 8 a b to the 10th power, for example. Okay, so if you have that, then you already know we can rewrite that. Okay, this is equal to square root of 50 a to the 5th power, b to the 7th power, over square root of 8 a b to the 10th power. Okay, so then we're going to use the same strategies that we use. Break the 50 down to find out what you can pull out from that. So 50 would be, if you divide it by 2, it would be 25, right? And that's 5 and 5. So that means you could pull out a 5. Because if we're going to rewrite that 50, this is technically square root of 2 times 5, and then for a would be a times a times a times a, 1 2 3 4, a to the 5th power, so one more a to the 5th power, and then for b would be b once, b twice, b 3 times, b 4 times, b 5 times, b 6 times, b 7th time, because it's b to the 7th power. That's for the top. Well, the bottom, if you break 8 down, right? If you do the factor tree for 8, it'll be a 2 and 4 and 2 and 2. So at least you have one pair of 2. There's an extra 2 that will not help you, but for that you could rewrite this as square root of 2 times 2 times 2. That's 8, right? And then just a, because that's all you have, and then b is 10 times, so it's b times b 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. So that's b to the 10th power. So then to simplify that, let's erase this. Okay, so we have one pair of 5, 1 2 pair of a, 1 2 3 pair of b. So we can rewrite that, bring out one of the 5. So this could equal to, okay, 5, okay, and then a squared, right? Because you have 2 pair, you can pull out 1 for each, so you pull it out twice, so that's a squared. And then for the b, you could pull it out 3 times, so that's b cubed. Okay, so whatever you can pull out, it remains under the square root, which would be 2. 2 would be in here. And then for the a, there would be 1a in here. And for the b, there would be 1b in here that stays, okay? So that's for the top. What about the bottom? For the bottom, we only have one pair of 2, and then one additional 2. So we'll pull out a 2 here. What about the variable? Oh, the A, we can't do anything with it because it's only one A. But what about the B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair. So B fifth is what comes out. So what stays in? It would be this 2, this extra 2. So 2, okay? And then this A, okay? Remember all the B's came out, so that would be 8. So your final answer would end up being this. Let me rewrite it bigger for you. It would be 5a to the 5th. I'm sorry, a squared on the top. Well, is this your final answer? I wouldn't say so yet. Oh, let's see. A squared b cubed square root of 2ab on the top, and the bottom is 2b to the 5th power, okay, and then square root of 2a. Well, the reason why this is not your final answer, because once you pull this out, you cannot do anything with the 2, because 5 divided by 2, that doesn't do anything for you. You can simplify, but you can simplify b, because you have b cubed on the top, b to the 5th power in the bottom, so that will end up being 5a squared, because you cannot touch a. So the b would be gone, because technically you have 5b in the bottom, 3b on the top. So the 3 of the b in the bottom would be canceled because of this 3b on the top. So what you would have left with you is square root of 2ab over 2. Remember, the b to the 5th is not b to the 5th anymore, it's b squared, because we already canceled. Technically you had this would b, they cancel with this b 5 times, so 1, 2, 3. So that's why we only have b squared left. And then square root of 2a. This would be your final answer. Okay? That's it. Thank you.